My introduction. Hello everyone, welcome to 3DX Mentor. First of all, introduction. My name is Taswar Idges. And on my channel 3DX Mentor, you will learn complete 3D animation in which you will learn to make 3D models. 020. Learn to make cartoon characters. 026. Learn to animate cartoon characters. 031. And learn how to make a high-quality 3D animated video in detail. First of all, I want to tell you that it is not at all possible that you watch 2 for videos on the topic of 3D animation and you learnt 3D animation, and it is also not possible that you watched a 3-hour complete course of 3D animation and you became a master of 3D animation. First of all, I want to tell you that I have learned 3D animation. How I learn 3D animation. How did you learn and how to learn 3D animation? What is the right way and how much time will it take? 102. We will also talk about this in learning 3D animation. See, 3D animation is not a common skill. 108. And it is not that it is very difficult, but it is also not that it is very easy, as you all know that in today's era of technology, whenever we have to learn something new, first of all we exist. So when I also started learning 3D animation, in the beginning, 142. Bought 2 YouTube courses, but in those courses also something or the other was missing. I kept on misunderstanding the things which I found missing and kept on learning by practicing. So after studying in this field for thousands of hours and practicing in this field, after that I started this channel 3DX Mentor. I have done this so that whatever I have learned with difficulty, I can teach it to you with ease. If you are really interested in learning 3D animation, then subscribe to my channel right now, because I will teach you 3D animation from my experience in such a way that even those who do not have the slightest knowledge of 3D will be able to learn it easily. And if any of my students are not able to understand anything or face any problem after understanding any concept, then I will also give my personal support to my students. Which software should be used, which software should we use in the beginning, and which software should we use for what purpose in future, how to download software, how to install it for character animation, and how to do it. Which software is easy and best, step by step with complete details. 258. When the time comes, I will keep guiding you in detail through this channel about this 3D animation course. My 5 demands if you want to learn 3D animation. 304. I have only 5 demands from you in this course. Number 1. Do not skip any video. 310. Because if you skip the lesson, you will not be able to learn 3D properly. 316. Number 2. Do not forward even 1 second of the video. 322. Because who knows, the section you forward may contain the useful information. 328. Secondly, all my videos will be connected with each other, so if 334. You skip the videos, there are chances that you may not understand the next lesson. Number 3. If you do not understand anything in my video, do not worry. 345. Instead of this, you must ask me questions in the comments. I will definitely answer you. But if 351. You understand all the videos and like my videos, then it is important to like and subscribe. After watching one video of this 3D animation course, you must practice whatever I teach you in a video. 402. You must practice it, even if it is a small thing. 413. It is important that by just watching and not practicing, you will never be able to learn 3D animation. So, after watching one video of the course, practice it 100%. 425. Practice it, and after practice, watch the next video. 431. I have told you these 4 points. If you miss even one of these points, you will suffer a loss. 437. You will not be able to watch my new videos. You will not understand it at all, so if you want to learn 3D. 442. Animation, then you have to be sincere with yourself. I repeat, never skip. 448. The lessons never forward the videos. It is important to practice and learn from the channel. 455. So like and subscribe my video today. You got to know about 3D on XM channel. What you learn in this video. 501. What all did you learn? How did I learn 3D animation, and how can you learn 3D animation easily? 509. And what are those 5 points which are important to follow if you want to learn 3D animation? What's about next video? 515. So in the next video I will share with you the students category and will also talk about what information is necessary before starting this 3D 520 animation course, which you should have. 524